Welcome to my newest listing, 5042 Briarbend. Originally built in 1958. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,800 square feet. It has now been expanded to just under 2,400 square feet. And when it's completed, it'll be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, practically brand new home. All PEX plumbing throughout the home. All electrical has been completely redone. This is essentially a brand new home. This was the original portion of the home, and it has now been expanded. You've got a front bedroom here with a Jack and Jill bathroom, and then the other second bedroom. And then we've got bedroom number 3 with its own entire ensuite right here. So this is the primary bedroom. All of this was the additional square footage that was added. Then you have your shower and then private water closet. So I think this is going to be one of the biggest selling points of this home is this massive oversized garage, just under 1,100 square feet. Hopefully you can jump on board and make this home yours before it's completed and you can put your own final touches to it.